Welcome back to my channel. I am CA Gayatri Sengupta Shetty and today we are going to discuss about break-even point. What is break-even point? Break-even point is a point where the fixed cost of the company is completely recovered, the total cost of production is completely recovered, and after that the company starts to earn profit. The businessmen can launch a product and then can understand at which level of sales they can start getting the profits. At this point, total revenue of the business is equivalent to the total expenses of the business. What happens in the case of investor? Investor reaches its break-even point when the market price of a particular stock is equivalent to the original cost of that stock, right? So this is the break-even point of the stocks for an investor. After that, he can aim for getting higher profits or start profits. Now what we will see, how do we calculate the break-even point? Break-even point can be calculated by in unit terms, in conversion terms. We say fixed cost, break-even point is equal to fixed cost divided by sales per unit, sales price per unit minus variable cost per unit. Sales price per unit minus variable cost per unit is the contribution margin. So fixed cost by contribution. What is the fixed cost here? Those fixed costs which do not change with 1 unit extra sale of unit. Those units, those fixed costs are considered here just like insurance, rent. They don't increase or decrease with 1 unit sale or increase in sale or decrease in sale. But the variable costs which we consider here are those costs which are directly affecting 1 unit sale increasing, that variable cost will change. So those variable costs will be considered here. Okay. Now what we are going to do about the sales value? If we are going to calculate the break-even point in sales in value terms, we will do fixed cost by PV ratio. Now PV ratio is contribution by sales into 100, right? So here we are getting the break-even sales value. Okay. So these two ways were how we calculate the break-even point. Now break-even point is used by the investors, the businessmen, a startup of a business or a launching of a particular product. In economics and business economics, all these, there are various ways where the break-even point analysis is used. And at this point, the fixed cost is completely recovered, total cost of production is recovered, the revenue, total revenue is equal to the total expenses. So at this, profit will be nil. So there is at this point no profit, no loss. So at this point the company is well aware that after this point the company is going to earn profits. So break-even point is very useful for us. We understood it's a wide variety of uses. Thank you. And आपको अगर मेरा वीडियो पसंद आता है तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब.